If you want to use an account, Gmail account, which you can open anywhere, please do not enable the option two-step verification when you create that email account. So in this video we are going to learn how to create an account without two-step verification. All right, so for that you just go to your any Gmail. Okay, so open Gmail web page, gmail.com. Then you just click on add another account. I have multiple accounts here, so I will be using use another account. There you have an option to create an account, so click on that. Then for my personal use, give it your first and last name, and then you have to click on next. Just give your first and last name and then click on next button. Give the basic information like your date of birth, day, month and year and gender, and then click on next. And just create your username like I have created PR byte X26. You can create your name byte X26 and then click on next. Give a password. Just remember that password, you can write it somewhere so that you can open anytime, anywhere. And then just click on next after confirming it. It will display a QR code that you have to scan with your phone. So just open your QR code scanner and then scan this QR code with your phone. I have done that. It will show a link. You just click on that link. It will take some time to verify your phone. So once it is verified, it will open another page. Over here you just add your any previous email address. That's it. Okay, any previous one which was already there. You can add your parents or your own, and then just click on next. Click on next again. Then just scroll down and then click on I agree. And this is how you will create your own Gmail account without two-step verification. You don't have to enter the password. You have to enter the password. You don't have to use the phone for the same, and you can open it anywhere. So this is how we will create that account, which could be used anywhere. Thanks for watching, and keep sharing it with your friends who are in such need. Do like this video if it is helpful, and press the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you.